Hello guys, that's Mike, the founder of Well Forex Trade. I am developer of this system for MT5, and you will never get this system anywhere else beside from me. You will only get this system from me because I am developer of this system, and no one can share this system because it's logged and it's registered with my systems. So if you can share this system with your friends, it will never work. So on this video, I want to show you how to use this system very successful. Okay, let's start. As you can see, I'm on H4 chart. Then before we trade, we switch to 4 hours chart. Then what we're going to look for is a trend. Are we on uptrend or downtrend? Is what we're going to check before we trade with this system. As you can see here, we are on a downtrend. Why we say we are on a downtrend? We see 50 crossed a 200, a moving average. So the price is below this white moving average. Then it's where we're going to know we are on a downtrend. Alright. Then when we are on a downtrend, we are looking for sell signals only. We are not buying on a downtrend. Then we will buy on an uptrend. If it's a buy, we buy on an uptrend. Uptrend is when price is above this white moving average or this blue moving average. Then when the trend is changing, is when the blue line cross the white line. Then it's where we're going to know the trend now is changing, it's on downtrend. Okay, how to enter trades. How to enter a trades. Since we know we are on a downtrend, let's take the price. The current price is here. Then we're going to wait for the price to hit 200, this white moving average. Since we know blue crossed a white arrow, I mean a white moving average, then we know now we are on a downtrend. Then we're going to trade when the price touches a white moving average. When the price is somewhere here on H4, but the signal for H4 didn't fire it, you have to switch on 1 hour chart to get early entry. You switch to 1 hour chart to get early entry. On 1 hour chart, when the price it's somewhere here, you're going to get a signal for sell. Then you sell and put your stop loss above this candle for H4. You use H4 to put your stop loss. Then it will give you an early entry. Then if you used H4 signal, it didn't use 1 hour, your entry is going to be somewhere here. But 1 hour chart will give you early signal. Then it went down. It went very well, this one. Then the price came again on 200 moving average. Then when it's somewhere here, you switch to 1 hour to get early entry. Then you sell again. Then again, when it's coming back on this moving average, it touches 200 on H4. Then you switch to 1 hour to look for a sell only. Then it went well. This system is an accuracy of 95% plus if you follow the rules that I'm teaching, and you have to be patient when you trade with the system. Sometimes brokers, they are manipulating price. It won't go in profit immediately. Some signal will go to profit immediately. Some will take a few hours to make profit. For example, if you use this signal, it's fired somewhere here, it's sell. You put your stop loss above this signal. Then you see this pullback. If you are not patient enough, you will exit and you will lose money. But if you are patient enough, you see this pullback and consolidate. Finally, it went on your favor. Then they hit 200. Then you switch to a 1 hour chart. You look for a sell. You look for a sell. Then I entered this signal because on 1 hour chart there's a signal, and 4 hours it's a sell, and we are on a downtrend. Okay, let me switch to lower time frame. And if you know the market maker strategy, you will see this. It's a W. It's a level 1, then pull back, then it's level 2, then pull back, level 3. You can see this looks like a head and shoulders pattern. Then when you get a signal, you must wait until the candle closed. As you can see on 1 hour chart, this blue moving average on 4 hours chart, is the white moving average, but on H4, I mean on H1, it's a blue moving average. It's the same moving average on H4. As you can see, the signal fired, touched 800 moving average. Then when the candles is closed, then it's where you're going to sell. And you must use a money management. If you are taking too much risk, you won't succeed. Trading volatility or whatsoever. You see, because of these pullbacks, the market always make pullbacks and false moves. You see, this software is very accurate. You will be successful when you trade with the system. It's very accurate when you follow my rules. Okay, 1 hour. They hit this blue moving average. On H4, it's a white moving average. It's the moving average that I was showing you. So on H4, on H1, it's a blue moving average. Then you got a signal on this candle. Then when it's closed, then is where you're going to enter a sell. Then put stop loss above this signal. Then the price consolidated. Then finally went on your favor. So you need more patience to make it in these things. Then price went somewhere here, then touched a 50 moving average. You can use this moving average to take your profit. When the price touched this moving average, then you can take profit. Maybe make sell here, then it touches here, then you take profit. See, sell. Maybe touches here, take profit. So you don't buy because you are on a downtrend. On H1, we was on 1 hour chart, we was on a short-term uptrend, because this movement is a pullback of 4 hours chart. It's a short-term trend. So if you are not mastered this system or the structure of the market, then don't trade a pullback, a short-term trend. You can wait for a long-term trend. So this system is a non-repainting when the candle is closed. When the candle is closed. So I entered somewhere here on this signal. Then the price consolidated. I entered somewhere here, then the price consolidated and finally went on my favor. So to trade Forex, you need more patience. Then let me check for uptrend. Maybe I can show you on an uptrend how to trade, but it's the same thing. It's the same thing even on uptrend. I think it's limited. It's limited. It's limited. I don't know why it don't show you the previous data, but it's the same thing. Thank you for watching this video. Good luck on your trading.